Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 14S and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. Alright, so let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find more connectivity options. Let's enter. Now let's scroll down and find this option, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks and Bluetooth. So just scroll down to the very bottom. Here our device is informing us what it will actually reset, so among others Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So just tap on Reset Settings, confirm everything with your screen lock and confirm it with OK. Be aware because you cannot undo this action. So just tap on OK if you're ready, and here we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.